What's up everybody, welcome back to my laboratory where safety is number one priority. And today we're gonna need ear protection as well. Remember a while back, a couple weeks ago, I said I'm gonna do this firecrackers in slow motion. So let's film this in like super slow motion, like 60, even up to 100,000 pictures per second, and let's see how it looks. Alright guys, that's pretty much it. Let me know what you think, comments below, and thumbs up this video if you like that video, and don't forget to subscribe to my second channel called Slow Mo Lab. It's me and my brother. We do some crazy funny stuff, like, you know, stuff like that, but even funnier and cooler and more epic. So if you like that video, of course, thumbs up, and you know, subscribe, links in the description, and I'll see you next time.